Hey guys, it's your girl, the Bedrock Beauty, and I'm back with a 2-for-1 special. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, which was the Funko Pop Vinyl GameStop mystery box unboxing, I know that was a lot of words. Go ahead and check that out after you guys watch this video. This is my Ipsy video for January. Like, guys, I was super irritated with Ipsy because I canceled Ipsy maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and I decided to resubscribe to them. And this is my first month back, and they sent me like the shipping notification and all of that, and I never got the package. It said it was delivered. You know, we had a really big snow, not big, but big for Alabama, snowstorm, and I never got my package. So this is the second time around, so hopefully like it's worth the wait. So if you guys don't know, Ipsy is $10 a month, and they send you 4 to 5 makeup samples, sometimes brushes. It just depends. This is my first month back. Okay, so this is the bag this month. It's actually really cute. Kind of a like mesh type of feel. It got little shoestring. Okay, let's open it up. The first thing is this little card. It really means nothing. I hate that they haven't start putting the products on here. Like, please. Okay, so let's just dig in. Okay, the first thing I see is a Cult Classic Body Care Heavy Cream. It's a rich vanilla and shea butter lotion, I guess. Yeah, a smoothing butter body balm is what they call it. This is the packaging. Let's open it up. I'm pretty sure it has a seal on it. Yep, has little seals. Pop that off. Oh, wow. That smells amazing. I'm not really a big fan of vanilla, but every now and again, I like the smell of it. Let's see. Very thick. Let's rub it in. Oh, okay. Oh. It smells pretty good, like a vanilla cupcake. Very soft. Oh my god. This is nice. Alright. This is nice. I might have to look this brand up. What brand is this again? I guess Cult Classic Body Care. I guess that's the brand. Oh no, it's called Cake Beauty. That's the brand. Cake Beauty. Okay, Cake Beauty. I like that. That's something to just pop in your purse. I actually, like, my hands feel so soft right now. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, okay, boo. So, if for you guys who don't know, this is a NYX lingerie. I freaking love these. I don't know if I have this shade or not. I feel like I have this shade. Uh-oh. I feel like I have this shade, so hold on, guys. I'm going to check back with you guys and see before I open this one. I guess I don't have that one, so we can open this one up. These are the other 3 that I own. So all the NYX lingeries are like in the nude family. I wish they would come out with more colors, but for right now, I guess this is the best we're going to get. Let's open it up. My hands probably shouldn't have put that lotion on my hands. My hands are super, super slippery now. Okay, so this is a chocolate kind of shade. Let's swatch it. Oh my god, it's just like freaking butter. Ooh. Almost cursed, guys. Sorry, Mom. But look at this. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see it. I hope I'm showing you guys a good swatch of it. But it's like butter. And I'm super excited to try this because I freaking love those chocolate lip colors. So this one, like, I already know I'm going to love it because I already love NYX products. Okay, let's reach your hand in the bag again. Okay, what is this? Okay, so we have a metallic eyeshadow. I guess it's called Age to Perfection Champagne. Alright, okay. What brand is this? Mineral Star? Crushed Mineral Star? I don't know. Or Crushed Star Minerals? I don't know. Let's open it up. Everything has this damn cellophane wrap on it today. Okay, so this is the pigment. Okay. So I would assume that this is a full-size pigment shadow. Because how much bigger can you possibly get? Okay, shake some up, see, and swatch it. Oh wow, that's beautiful. And I just used a really little small amount. I hope you guys are seeing it. I hope I'm showing you guys. This is beautiful. It's actually like a pretty, I would use it probably as a highlighter. Okay, so this is really pretty. Okay, Ipsy. Y'all knew that I canceled, so you guys wanted to make me have a good box. But this is pretty good. Okay, let's reach in there and see what else we got. Okay, so we got a Void nail polish. Never heard of that brand, so let's pop it open and see what color we got. Oh, okay, okay. It's like a nice little burgundy shade. Pretty nice, okay. I never say no to more nail polish. You can never have too much. Okay, it's one more thing in the box, or bag rather. And it's a Vasanti, I don't know how to say that. It's basically a waterline eyeliner. So Vasanti, I have something else from them. I think a lip product or something. I'm not 100% sure, but I know I have something from this brand before. Okay, so let's just swatch it. Okay, pretty black. Not as smooth as some of my other eyeliners, but still pretty good. I don't like this packaging because, like, I think mine's broken. It won't roll up and down. So I'm scared to even put the lid back on it. Yeah, the packaging is trash. I'm going to just say that off the rip. Or maybe I just got a defective one. But the cap is hard to put on and take off. My little twisty thing doesn't work. So I hope this is all the eyeliner I ever wanted to use. But I guess it's cool that it's a full-size product, but like I can't even like open it and close it. So I'm just going to lightly put the cap on. I'm not even going to push it all the way down because it's going to get stuck. But I will say I got 5 products. I got 5 products in my bag this month. Pretty good. The lotion is very slippery, I will say. So guys, don't put the lotion on if you plan on doing anything ever in life. But of course, I'm in love with the NYX lingerie. I already love this line, so I'm glad I got a color that I don't already own. The mineral powder is like probably my favorite product out of here. It's really beautiful. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it is with this lackluster packaging, but you know, it's actually pretty good. I think I would like the Vasanti waterline eyeliner if the packaging was better. Like, I just feel like I'm never going to use this eyeliner because I'm already irritated with the packaging. So whatever, it's cool if it would have worked. And then, who isn't mad about nail polish? I'm going to add it to my collection. So overall, Ipsy's kind of trying to step their game up a little bit more, you know, because I canceled it because I was tired of getting the same brands, the same products over and over and over and over and over again. Like, they're really trying to step their game up. And really, all of my products today seem like they're full size except for the lotion, so I'm not mad about it. For $10 a month, you can't be mad. So you guys know I always leave the links to any subscriptions that I'm a part of, any coupon codes that I can give you guys is in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to go back and check out that Funko unboxing so you guys can get a glimpse of my pop vinyl addiction. Alright, bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm super excited. I have like over 100 pop vinyls, and I just started collecting them not too long ago. I have